What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as promised, we're installing Swisstrax. So we've got the whole entire garage floor all clean, and I'm using a mic again, as you can see, because I just want my voice to come in clear. And there might be points where I'm have the tripod set up and I'm laying down Swisstrax, but I'm still going to be talking to you guys via the mic. So this is our stack of Swisstrax. And what you want to do from watching all of the Obsessed Garage videos is you want to start in the front, if you're looking out the garage, front left corner. And oh god, as you can see, these edge pieces are what the garage door goes up against. So what we're going to do is close the garage door and do that row and then start working our way out. So it's going to be, first row will be a row of these with the edge pieces, and it has to start like that. So this flat edge will go up against the wall here, and then eventually you'll have your edge pieces that go up against the bottom rubber right here of the garage door. And then after I do a row of the gray ones, I'm going to do a row of the black ones. So there's going to be a black border that goes all the way around. So it's two out, they're like 15 3/4 inches long. So it's two gray out, then a black border, and then I think it's 3 gray out that way and 1 gray out that way. But ideally you only want to have to cut in 2 areas. Well, technically 3, because you're going to have to cut some for right there, and then you'll have to cut that whole wall, maybe over there, and then that back wall. You ideally do not want to have to cut this wall if you can help it, but these walls aren't perfect, perfectly straight. And you can see, if you look over here versus over here, the garage does slope down, which is nice. So I'll be able to wash a car in here and it will run right out from underneath these. And then wife's actually helping me, because this is not going to be easy. But all right, we'll get started. Oh, I almost forgot. So you can cut them with a razor blade, like this, or a circular saw, or they actually make a tile cutter for these, but it's really expensive. I've seen the circular saw work really well, and then the razor blade works well to cut off these little loops if you have to cut off some loops. But yeah, I think we're gonna get a row started and get comfortable with it, and then I'll start filming like a time lapse so you guys can kind of see. But I'll get like a couple rows in, and then I'll show you, and then we'll do a time lapse. Yeah, all right guys, so as you can see, we got it started, and you can kind of get the idea what I mean by the border. And then you can see where the edge pieces are tucked up underneath the garage door, which is what you want. And then I'm thinking over here, well, I'm definitely gonna have to cut a piece right there, but over here I might do like a step out piece of trim and cover this edge to help hold this down. I haven't decided yet, but pretty much when you drop them down, I'll show you guys one real quick. So this is the point of starting with your flat edge forward and to the left, because all you do is drop it down, and then you just keep going. Because if you did it the other way, you'd have to pick them up as you're putting them down, which is stupid. But so far, the only cuts I had to make was that edge piece there. I'll have to make 1, 2, 3 cuts there, 1 cut there, and then I had to cut a small edge piece there, which I used the leftover from the one I cut over there. And then there's these little clips you can buy to tie all the edge pieces together. I'll probably end up picking those up. But yeah, I'm moving right along. So yeah, I'm gonna do a time lapse, and we're gonna keep on moving. Okay, guys, so, I mean, we're basically done. I'm gonna have to make some cuts on, I can't see my finger right there, like, because you can see the full one stops like right there. So I'll have to cut that to go around, and then I'm gonna have to do, there's gonna be one full one and then almost a full one right here, so I'll have to cut all that. And then I haven't decided if I'm gonna go like under these. I probably will, like, go around the cement blocks. As long as I can square them up though, because, whoops, they're not like square. Or break my toe doing this. But that's kind of where I'm at. There we go. So as long as I can square those up, I'll cut around those and continue back. And then they'll be hanging stuff up here and over here for all the ladders and everything. Ideally, get everything up off the ground that we can get up off the ground. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So we're actually going to take a break, eat, and then keep going. Oh, this black line. So I need 2 more. So if anybody has these Swisstrax and you happen to have the black ones, not the smooth ones, the normal ones, I'll buy them off you. So I don't have to buy a pack of 6 just to move this line 1 up. I think it would look better if that line was up 1. Because I planned on, oh, I still get stepped on.
That's my side.
I planned on doing it, there's your hair stuck in it too.
Already?
I planned on, when I did it, when I drew it out on their like design, it was 4 gray to the black, and I should have done 3. But oh well, it is what it is. We're gonna take a break, but this looks awesome. So I wish there was a Porsche GT3 sitting in here, but it is what it is. There's a freaking POS Supra. All right, guys, so we got the floor all done. It's the next day. I finished up today. Well, that's crooked. Interesting. So I finished up today because I just got tired last night. I mean, we did a lot. So it's going to be hard to see because I put everything back. But if you look down there, you can see I finished it over there, and then all along here. Got our nice little mat, and then it keeps going all behind all the tools. So it's all done. Looks really good. I'm very happy with it. So the next thing is going to be adding another one of these toolboxes, tall cabinet here, 2 wall cabinets there, and then the stainless steel shelves there. You know what? Let me unpack those. I'll show you the stainless steel shelves. Okay, so that's one of the stainless steel shelves. Kind of see how it's going to sit. These are also from Obsessed Garage. And then you use these 2 of them to hang them. And what I'm thinking is like 1 there-ish, here-ish. I don't know. There's going to be 3 right here because I ordered 3. So that's the game plan with those. But let me walk outside so you can get a good view of what it looks like. Oh, it's bright. It just looks awesome. I mean, it looks like I don't know, like a race car garage or something crazy, especially with the Supra in there now, and it looks so good with the Supra in here. Yeah, that's nice. And I found it, like, since this has a backup camera now, like pulling it in, Obviously I pulled too far in. I could have stayed more forward, but with the black, and I don't think we're gonna go another line out, because with the black the way it is now, once I see the black on the rear view camera and I can't see the gray anymore, I know I'm in far enough. So I'm pretty sure we're just gonna leave it. So yeah, all right guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you have any comments about like how I designed it and figured it all out, just shoot me a comment or an email, whatever. I'll respond to you guys as I can, but everything's from Obsessed Garage. So if you just go on their website, you can find everything to do the design and then pick out your flooring. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you in the next one.